Lack of infrastructure such as roads and an export pipeline in oil-rich Albertine Rift Basin in Uganda, as well as disagreements between the government and international oil companies over taxes, has delayed crude oil production. The country has therefore resolved to seek a $500 million loan from China to finance construction of 580 kilometers of roads to aid their vision of starting production by the year 2020. Government critics and the opposition say the accelerated borrowing and misuse of loans is likely to take Uganda back into debt distress. Currently, the country has accumulated $10.3 billion of debt. Meanwhile, telecoms firms AT&T and Verizon, as well as car rental company Enterprise and pharmaceutical giant GSK, have withdrawn millions of dollars in advertising from Google's platform following rows over extremist content. An investigation has found major brands are appearing next to YouTube videos promoting extremist views, generating revenues for the creators. Verizon's advertisements were appearing alongside videos made by Wagdi Ghoneim, an Egyptian cleric who had been banned from the US over extremism, and Hanif Qureshi, whose teachings inspired the assassination of a Pakistani politician. Google has since apologized and promised better tools for advertisers. Finally, oil prices have recovered from earlier losses, but the market has remained under pressure as bloated U.S. crude inventories and rising output dampen OPEC-led efforts to further cut global production. Brent crude futures, the international benchmark for oil, is today at $51.02 per barrel, up 38 cents from their last close. This comes after Brent briefly dipped below $50 a barrel on Wednesday for the first time since November last year. United States West Texas Intermediate crude futures is up 38 cents at $48.42 a barrel. U.S. oil production has risen over 8% since mid last year to more than 9.13 million barrels per day, levels comparable to those registered in late 2014 when the oil market slump started. Josephine Gala reporting for Business Insight.